Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create an app on ChatGPT Codex on PC. Creating an app using ChatGPT Codex on Windows starts by opening your preferred browser or the ChatGPT app and logging into your account. Then accessing ChatGPT and launching Codex from the interface, keeping in mind that some Codex features may require a pro subscription. Once inside Codex, you'll either download and install the Codex environment or use supported tools like the CLI or IDE extensions for VS Codes, Cursor, JetBrains, or Warp, and optionally, connect your GitHub account to manage your projects. After setup, open Codex and start a new project by describing the app you want to build and details, such as create a simple snake game, because clearer prompts produce better structured code. Before running anything, set up your sandbox environment, choose your model, and adjust reasoning settings depending on whether you want faster output or deeper code generation. Once ready, press enter to generate your app. From there, you can continuously refine it by asking Codex to add features, fix bugs, or improve design, while reviewing changes before running or deploying the project. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.